Okay, so overview of the selected. Okay, kita boleh lihat kat sini. Title of tool, contoh score your safety culture checklist. Okay, developed by Transport Canada. Okay, daripada Canada, sector region transport, language English, French, Dutch. Pragmatic dia simple checklist. Okay, kalau Hearts and Mind program, understanding your checklist daripada developer by Energy Institute, UK. Ni untuk offshore punya sektor, language banyak. Okay, pragmatic dia safety culture, maturity ladder with 5 stages, assessment of 8 factors, 18 questionnaire in workshop. Kalau safe, show me tools. Okay, show me tools daripada developer pada UK Civil Aviation Authority. Okay, negara UK lebih kepada sektor aviation maintenance. Okay, dia punya language lebih pada English. Right, dia guna software questionnaires with software and guides. Di mana kalau LS CAT, Safety Climate Assessment Toolkit and User Guide daripada developer Longbourn University and Safety Executive SSC dan beberapa offshore organisation daripada UK. Ini lebih kepada sektor offshore. Language English. Dia punya apa nama? Software Employee Attitude Survey. Method dia face-to-face interviews and focus discussion group structure observation. Ni lebih kepada untuk mereka punya part kan. Okay, Nordic atau NOSEC, dia developer daripada Consortium of some Scandinavian Institute, okay, daripada negara Skandinavia, daripada sektor construction. Okay, language dia pakai banyak jugalah, tapi lebih kepada negara sana punya language lah. Okay, analitik dia safety climate questionnaire, 50 questionnaire yang dia akan berikan kepada respondent. Okay. Untuk IEA guidance for use in the enhancement of safety culture daripada agensi IAEA, the country daripada international. Okay, sektor dia nuclear. Language English, and this apply 3 stages yang kita tadi. Stages of what? Rule stage, goal stage and improvement stage. So dia lebih pada contents information yang kita bagi pada karakteristik tadi. So the pragmatic kita boleh lihat the selected tools cover a wide range of assessment approach lah and related instrument. Okay, kita nampak is simple, pragmatic, score your safety culture checklist available in at least 3 language. Kita nampak kan dia punya mereka lebih kepada cover at least 3 language. An extensive pragmatic toolkit, the Hearts and Mind program toolkit available in more than 10 language. Okay, kalau program, kalau tools tu lebih melibatkan pada Hearts and Mind program, dia akan available lebih kepada 10 language. Kalau tu English questionnaire survey tools, the Safety Climate Assessment Toolkit and Use Guide, LSCAT, which contains information and other in-depth techniques and safety health of maintenance engineering Xiaomi tools. Dan dia pakai tu English questionnaire survey. Okay, a safety climate scale, Nordic ataupun NOSEC tadi. Okay, publication in English, sorry typo, by the IEA, giving practical guidance in improving an organization safety culture. Okay, so the conclusion, we can conclude here is, before commencing a diagnosis of an organization safety culture and deciding which strategy and specific tools to apply, it is important to first consider and determine the true purpose of such assessment. Okay? Is it to try to achieve general improvements or change in the organization OSH management approach and its performance in OSH? Okay? Contoh, reducing accident rates, changing unsafe worker behavior, improving worker equipment and compliance to OSH issues, or it is so to try to solve a particular persistent problem relating to OSH within the organization. Are there high risk environment impacting on workers or specific groups, department, teams, units which should be treated with priority? So this requires management commitment and participation of people from all hierarchy levels, manager, middle manager, supervisor and workers. Carrying out safety climate survey should, for example, only be done when there is a clear commitment and support from senior management, including a clear intention of action. So management, supervisor and workers should be all participate and committed during the process of this assessment tools. Alright, so I think Alright, that's all my slide. This is the end of my slides. Thanks for your attention. So, as usual, please answer this quiz by click this link. Alright, so I prepare this for your key important notes lah yang ada dalam slide saya hari ni. Mungkin this slide ada termasuk dalam soalan final exam nanti. Who knows, right? So please answer it, and that's all. Thank you so much semua. Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera.